Mm. Hello students, in this lecture, let's look at how to do painting for floral pictures. Take any picture consisting of flowers and draw that first. Then take some colors like pink, yellow, blue, green, white. Start with painting the petals of the flowers with pink color. You can see that I have painted each of the petals fully with pink color. So there's a technique here. First, do the outline of the petal with the paint and then fill in the insides. That way, the flower looks painted in a uniform way. Do this for all the flowers. You have to be careful and paint along the outline first so that no paint is getting spilled outside the flower, and then fill the insides of the petal, and the paint should always be uniform. Now take the yellow color paint and paint it for some of the flowers so that you will have a combination of yellow and red flowers. You can, to give it various shades, you can mix yellow with a tinge of green like I'm doing now, and you will get this shade. You can paint some colors yellow and some color.